Okay, fan clutch test. This is how I do it. If anybody has any other ideas, you can let me know. But I take some newspapers or promotional prospects, let's say, and what I do is the fan is spinning, and just I'm trying to stop it. As you can see, I could stop the fan. Now, given it's not super hot temperature at this point, but I still could stop the fan, as you can see it. So obviously it's not engaged, so it's freewheeling. That will explain the temperature overall, that the engine runs hotter than usual because fan clutch is not engaged. Then the high-speed fans kick in, temperature rises, and then it just runs too hot. So once more. Obviously, if this one would have been engaged, then it would have basically shred this piece of paper. But obviously you don't want to go crazy. I mean, if you're gonna just stick it in, it's just gonna hit your paper. Just slight touching first. See, like it's getting a little stronger because it's heating up more. But I think this fan clutch is bad. This is the engaged fan clutch. It's shredding paper, so it is engaged, and you can actually hear it and you can feel it. You can feel the hot air coming. I give it a little blip on the accelerator, but it seems weak. Yep, it is weak. If it would have been fully engaged, see, now I can stop it. So it only engages at lower RPMs